Okay, so we're in Auckland right now, and since my skydiving fun time, I've wanted to do something crazy with Lumi, but Lumi's not permitted by my mum. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump. I'm scared. I'm petrified. So this will be interesting. See you outside. I'll be outside.
Peasants.
Oh, you're the peasant. Alright.
Oh, thought we lost you.
Oh, sorry. Just putting on my jacket.
Easy, easy. Alright guys, so I'm Charlie, I'm going to be your walk guide today.
To be honest, I'm more scared of the walk than the jump.
Yeah, the walk is more scary than the jump is.
So I'm dressed in my prison gear, ready to go out on the tower. Oh, why am I doing this? Are you going out as well? You go out?
I'm your guide, man.
So every day you do this?
Every day.
How is it?
It's not bad. You get used to it.
You get used to it.
You get used to it.
How was your first time?
It wasn't too bad.
So how many people fell off last week?
Lost one.
This one. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all.
Oh, what did I do? Alright guys, coming out nice and slow. Nice and slow. Awesome, there we go. Nice and slow. Keep coming out, keep coming. Yeah, so just coming straight in front of me. Just so I have enough room to close the gate. Okay, well guys, welcome to the Skywalk. Yep. I'll get you standing there just so I can get the camera full camera of you guys. Alright, I'll get you guys waving at the camera for me. There we go, nice and responsive, that's a good thing, we're still responding. Alright guys, then now I'm going to get you to look up at the view. Alright, how beautiful is it? It's not too bad? Alright guys. Okay guys, how about we do a small warm-up challenge. Alright, so everyone just following me. Alright, arms out to the side. There we go, there we go, nice. Arms out to the side, you can let go one and then the other. Yeah, there we go, we'll pretend we're a bird.
This bird doesn't fly, mate.
Down and just doing this.
No.
Alright, well hit the variation, alright, just from the middle. Alright, I just want you to put your foot here, just out to the side. Alright, hand out first. And then you're going to do a small peek and just wave down. There we go, that's not too bad, eh? That's not too bad, alright. The challenge isn't over yet because we're going to do the same thing.
No.
We're going to do the same thing but on the other side, okay? Just put a foot out here and we're going to put a hand out first and then we're doing a little peek and waving down. I give everybody a big wave.
Jesus, what are you doing?
Would you guys like to give that a go?
Nope.
Alright, don't worry. Look at me. You're doing well. Awesome, there you go. And if you want to release your left hand, you can. Yeah, and if you're feeling brave enough, you can release this right one as well.
Oh my god.
Yeah, how's that?
Oh.
Good, and if you want to grab my hand, you can slowly come back in. Arms out to the side. Alright, just looking normal. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Push it right up, there we go. So there's full tension on it, and you can slowly lean onto it until it goes into your shoulder. Yeah, to your shoulder. Nice, how's that? That was good, that was good. you can release one hand. You get to choose one hand. Oh, there you go. And then the other hand, if you like, you bring up, just pushing it right out in front of you. Yeah, until there's no slack and you're leaning into it, okay? There we go, no slack. There's full tension on it. There we go, leaning right into it, resting it on your shoulder, and you can release that right hand. You guys have no ended this go off. You guys did really well. You guys enjoy that? I think you guys did what you saw there. I reckon you guys did. To be honest, I didn't think it would be this good. You guys did really well. Thank you very much. Thank you for myself.
Alright, so out of all the stupid things that I've done, this was the dumbest.
Hey look, there's some more.
Oh, victims. Good work, Matt. This is Matt from Chicago. So, just met him on a ledge. Oh, the problem is now I'm about to jump. So,
Jakby ci nogi związali, jak pryzna.
Oh my god.
Guantanamo.
Show me, wait, show me. Wow. Oh my god.
Dużo tego.
That was really the scariest thing I've ever done. Alright, so I'm in the elevator on my own, going up. Wearing a fat Superman suit. Things I do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please. Here we go. Oh, that's not good. Was that you singing? Yeah. No, I reckon you should be at the front stage. Beyonce back up.
Yeah, I know, I wish. Alright. Welcome. How are you feeling?
Not good.
Not good. So you can see for me just over here in the blue box.
Yep.
Awesome. My name is Delilah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright. How come you're throwing yourself off the building today?
Because I'm an idiot.
Alright, this is a good thing.
That's the cable, I assume?
Yeah? Gonna hold you.
Oh.
Alright, shuffle to your right for me, Paul. I'm just gonna come on the left side. Yeah, back up here again. Have fun.
Thank you.
Let's do this, Paul. Come on out. Welcome, welcome. Do you want to have a look down here, see where you're going to be landing?
Where am I landing?
So the big blue mat down there, that's the one, and aim for that cross. If you can, come stand over here for me, Paul. We'll get a quick video. And look up to the camera. Kia ora, guys. I'm out here with Paul. He's about to do something pretty crazy today. He just finished walking around the Auckland Sky Tower, and now he's about to jump off it. 192 meters. How you feeling?
I wish you didn't say 192 meters.
Okay, 191.
Okay.
Feel better?
No.
Do you want to say anything to the camera before you jump off?
Love you, Lumi.
Bye! Alright, we'll take a quick photo. Big smiles. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Let's move down this side, Paul. I'm going to give you a countdown. When I say go, you can let go and jump up.
Okay.
And remember to look at the GoPro.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah.
You ready? Here he comes in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
You got it, Paul. Both hands. Don't think about it. Let go.
I will.
3, 2, 1, go! Look up, Paul. Have a look out. Take a deep breath and let go. You ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! Have fun.
Leci, zobacz. Widzisz?
Yeah. That was good, man. Alrighty.
2, 1, go! Have fun!